I'm staying in the village name called Hassanabad. Today I'm going to tell Hassanabad weather report. Today the weather report is so windy and rainy. How much wind you know? There is one shed. Because of wind, that shed came up and that shed fall there. You can see there. I will explain you how it fall. It is our farm. I already informed you in the previous video. In that farm, the shed is actually placed there. For the wind, the shed came into the field. See there, it's also half broken. You can see clearly. See clearly. It's broken. Actually, it's not rolled. It flied in the sky like this. Came and it fall in that garden. And from there, it came there. You can see clearly.